Welcome to the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast Show. It's your boy Macko Scott, the man Russian.
And I'm East Salim Taylor Street.
And we got our homie with us.
Yes, sir.
Our brethren with us, Wood Wizard,
Yes, sir.
Woodrow Wizard in the building.
Blessings.
This segment right here is called The Dogs. This is what y'all been waiting for. You know what it is, man. This is the segment where we pick. I'm gonna tell y'all what the Dogs is. Now, I hate when we gotta go back, but I love that we gotta go back because we have new subscribers and new followers all the time. And y'all been bumping into me. I've been seeing y'all in traffic, and y'all like, Macko, why y'all keep picking teams that's like that's not the favorite? Well, it's the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast. We picking underdog teams. We picking teams that's not supposed to win. So if our record look suspect, if you don't like us, bet against us. You know what I mean? Because these teams that we think Vegas got wrong, and we think that these teams are better than the teams, that's the favorite. I don't know how many definitions I got to give y'all, but I'll give them to y'all all the ways that I can. I'm going to explain it every way that I can. With that being said, it's the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast. This segment is the Dogs. What the dogs looking like, baby? What's your dogs looking like this week, man? You going, I'm going. Where we going, Joe? You ready?
Go ahead and jump it off. Before I jump it off, please make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, comment. Man, feel free to let us know about y'all dogs. I got a licensed dog. I got a dog, and it was in his top 5. One of my dogs. We talking about we gonna jump it out. We going to the West Coast, and I'm sure we'll go ahead just ride out there. We ain't in the West Coast because they taking us out there. And I'm gonna start with 49ers and Lambeau.
Okay.
Okay. And Lambeau. They talking about that the 49ers is a +3. Come on now, McCaffrey just came back. The money line +138. That's a little dog. I feel like Green Bay skated, you know. You can still got Bosa out there. I don't even know if Green Bay got too many superstars on offense like that. Jordan Love, he decent. They got a running game, but they can see how, you know, 49ers has got to prove itself right now. That's why I'm loving this dog. Two good teams, and I see an upset special. 49ers.
49ers? That's your little dog?
Yep.
Man. My little dog this week. I'm going to keep it real with y'all. It's a West Coast party because California knows how to party.
No doubt about it.
Keep it rocking. Y'all know I love Cali, man. I can't wait to move to Cali. I wish I was rich. I'd move to Cali right now. Enjoy that sun, man. First stop, San Diego.
Easy.
I'm going straight prime time, man. Monday Night Football. The Chargers, my homie Boom. Shout out to my homie Boom. Store Stock, Niggas by Town. That's the reason why we do this. I just added the bet because I just love to gamble. I might have to call that number, but I'm going with the Chargers. The money line +125. +125, Macko, yeah. Chargers at home. He playing against his big brother, Lamar Odom, another team. Lamar Jackson. Look, West Coast, I'm talking about Odom. That Bunny Ranch incident. That Diddy incident. You know what I mean? But let's get back to it. Lamar Jackson, yeah, we off the rocks. Y'all know we be messing up the names, but Lamar Jackson, he on the road, man. They going to the Chargers. They going to San Diego. This SoFi Stadium. The defense has been great. Hubbard has been great. They got a young cast of receivers. They got coaching out there, and they get the job done, man. I'm going with them at home.
I like that.
I'm gonna keep it rolling, man. It's a West Coast party,
Bro.
and it's prime time. I'm going Sunday night football, bro. I can't help it, Joe. I'm going Sunday night football. I'm taking the Rams. The Rams, they at home. The Rams at home, right? They like, Macko, why you gonna take the Rams? I'm gonna tell y'all like this. I'm taking the Rams for the simple fact that the money line +125 again. And they got something to prove. You know what I mean? The Rams got something to prove. They playing Philadelphia. Philadelphia been hot lately. They in East top 5 again. We attacking East top 5. You know how the dogs be. It's like a personal attack on East top 5 most of the time. So we come back. So that's how I'm coming, man. The Rams, Stafford is late this season. They in a playoff situation. They playoff start now. The passing game, they gonna get it done. Kyrie Williams, everybody healthy. Pull the core, Cooper Kupp, they all locked, loaded, focused. They know they got to win. They got some of the best young defensive linemen. And I like Philadelphia defense. You talking about Philadelphia D suspect. They got some good cornerbacks out there, Philadelphia. Couple of young draft picks, but they not going to be able to keep up with Cooper Kupp And the cool, they gonna put that draft class to the test
What-
this week and come out on top, taking a plus. Take the plus 2.5. I mean, on the money line plus 125 and the over 50.5. It's gonna be a bomb burner. Them my two little dogs, West Coast baby, party time.
These are some real good games out here, man. We just said some great matchups, some great ass matchups, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and like kind of go a little bit left, a little bit on some Andre 3000 mode and go with a big dog.
Okay.
This nigga with a dog, and I'm gonna stay out west too. You know. And because it is the Weekly Sports Bet podcast, we gotta go to Vegas.
Okay.
Vegas.
The Raiders.
The black hole. Who's the black hole? Who's the black hole? Oh my God, the black hole is about to show up and show out. And you know what?
Denver.
The Denver Broncos in the black hole.
Yeah.
One thing I can tell you about Denver, they got a decent squad right now. They've been playing real good, some complimentary football. But they ain't seen that black hole yet. This ain't division, you know. And divisional games are crazy in November.
Right.
Okay.
Oh.
So I'm loving it because because it's plus 6.5. Plus 6.5 American. They said that they're gonna lose by a touchdown in a black hole. I don't like that. And it's plus 225 the money line. You know, liking that money line with the Raiders in that black hole in Vegas and we bet anyway. Man, I'm liking the Raiders, Joe. And I still think that Crosby got something in the tank. Get some of them stats against the rookie. You feel me?
Yeah. So them the big dogs, little dogs. You along for the ride. Who you like this week, man? Give us a good pick. We know you don't be gabbing like us. You ain't addicted to the heroin like us.
I can give you a guarantee.
Yeah, give me a pick.
Guarantee you can take them Commandos over them Cowboys.
Ooh, Commando.
Take them Commandos over them Cowboys. They in the slump, man.
You see, you did that pick for Chuck.
They're in the hole, man. Nah, I mean, you know, cause at this point, I'm with Sass, man. Some family member need to step in and talk to Jerry Jones' old ass. Get the fuck out the way, bro. Because this shit, you can't be everybody, man. You can't be the head coach, the general manager, the owner. You can't do all these goddamn positions. And that's why everybody keeps saying they need to send you Dion, because Dion gonna tell your old ass, get the fuck on and let me do what I got to do for this football team. So yeah, I'm gonna go watch the Commandos, man.
That's it, man. Commandos. Them the dogs, man. It's time for shout out. It's been a hell of a shot. I mean, it's been a hell of a show. We off the rocks, man. We're gonna do another shot. We're gonna do another shot off camera. We ain't gonna do it on camera.
Yeah.
But thanks, man, for coming through, bringing us Patillos, bro. Joe brought some Patillos.
Yes.
He brought us good gifts,
Always
not good
a pleasure.
150 hats. I'm going with the green and black for my homie Money. Rude boy, rest in peace.
Yes.
In the building. Man, Joe, appreciate the love, man.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And wait, hold on. Before we start doing shout outs, man, we got a big announcement to make today,
Yes.
bro.
Yes.
I'm charged. I've been having something in our seats all day, brother.
We have a really, really big announcement, man. And I came on the show to do this because I know this is a special place, you know, with special people. And it's like, yeah, man, I felt like this was the best place to release it, although I wanted to surprise these guys with visual.
Okay.
But because this is the Weekly Dog, it's a great platform. And the place where we at is historical to this announcement. So my announcement is I'm opening my second business. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm going to get the drinks out of there. Hold on. Go ahead. Keep it going, Joe.
Yeah.
Let me get the cups together, bro.
So I'm opening my second business, and it's actually it's a gaming cafe, and it's located in Berwyn, Illinois. And this cafe, I decided to name it after one of the deceased brothers, and it's called Big Money's Cafe. And we'll be opening in less than 60 days. We just finished getting the liquor license signed and sealed. We done. We got the gaming commissioner coming through in a couple weeks. So yeah, man. So all my 280 homies. Yeah, we got a platform, bro.
Oh, yeah.
We got somewhere to keep Big Wodie's name alive. And this will mean a whole lot to him. So shout out to Big Money's Cafe. We in the building.
Big Monday's Cafe, man.
For that.
Yeah.
Hey, hold on.
Huge and big. Real bad.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You don't know how much work this man put in. You know, he's been putting in work since day one, so
Yes, sir.
It feels good to see that you just keep prospering and keep going harder and harder with it. You know, you ain't never stopped, just kept building it up.
Yes, sir.
And now you're on your second store.
Man, I'm on my second one, man.
Monopoly out here.
And it's actually it's a blessing, man. It's a pleasure. You know what I'm saying? Like we certified.
Big
with
Money's
it.
Cafe.
Yeah, baby. Big,
Yeah.
We going to BMC's, baby. Woodies.
Big Money. Hey, shout out, man. That's a major accomplishment, man.
Yes,
Dro,
sir.
congratulations,
Yes,
brother.
sir.
Shout out to that. Man, Big Money's Cafe
Mm-hmm.
in the building. Man, Dro, it's been
Yes.
a pleasure.
Man.
Congratulations.
Always.
Another
Always.
business venture
Hey.
opening.
And look, I want to say one more thing before I jam up out of here. These two dudes, man. Hey, listen, I really wouldn't have paid none of this shit no attention hadn't they did it first. You see what I'm saying? When these niggas showed me like, man, nigga, look, we on some other shit. Like, we trying to have our hand in everything. You know what I'm saying? And me sitting back watching, you know, it all started just for just mixing drinks and shit. Now we going franchise, bro. We going worldwide. And I want to thank these brothers for even putting me on to the idea of even doing it. So once I got a chance to experience it, you know what I'm saying, me and E. Beats of the orchestration, we rocked that motherfucker for a minute. I started tasting blood. So
Yeah.
now, man, it's about the big bag, Joe. So I like to thank y'all, man.
Man,
Straight up.
thank you, brother.
And
Thank
shit,
you.
hopefully y'all can come through, bless one of the nights, y'all two bartend, double up. Shoot, you know what I'm saying? You dig, you know what I'm saying? And, you know what I'm saying? Let the Wicked Dogs be in there. And these two can get behind the bar and let me sit back and watch them do what they do, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now I can make that call because I own the shit. You feel what I'm saying? I'm on some real live 50 Cent shit.
Folks, man, Mahoney bossed up, man.
Yeah.
The right way. Big Money Cafe, Wizard Blade Cuts. Burrowing, my brother
Yes.
taking over Burrowing, one business at a time.
Yes.
It's all about entrepreneurship. I want to shout out, if you're going to get a few shout outs, Old Head Podcast.
And my sponsor,
Portillo's,
man.
man.
My sponsor,
Portillo's,
man.
sponsor
Shout
joint.
out, man.
Big
Shout out,
Beefs.
guys.
Hey.
Got my sponsor.
Yeah. Big cakes. You got big cakes.
Good cake.
Big beefs,
Yeah.
with cheese,
Yeah.
mozzarella on that boy,
Yeah.
sweet and hot peppers, chicken, mozzarella. Ooh, the menu was sick. We
Man.
might show y'all.
Might go
some
back.
cuts.
Might have to get
So
those
shout
back.
out Portillo's for that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, shout out to We on Fire the Spot.
Yeah.
We talking about, man, T9 back in the ATL on this thing. We talking about the narrator of sports out there. Y'all got to tune in with that man right there. We on Fire the Spot.
We on fire. The spot, shout them out. Shout out Orchestration Radio. The group chat, Cash Out Brothers, shout them out.
Brothers.
Joe's versus shows. Joe's.
Shy Guy.
You off the rock.
Joe versus Shy
Joe
Guy.
versus Shy Guy. I just beat that boy down in
It's
fantasy.
all good. I told him he had to
He
score
might not
110.
make the playoffs.
I said you got to score 110 to beat me. He scored
Let's
110.
come on 10. It's been a hell of a show. Man, season 3, episode 12.
12, man. We moving.
We moving and grooving, Joe. We got Gibbs, Bro came through.
Yes, sir.
Eric got all his credentials, got
I'm so
us
happy we have.
fed, got us
Thank you.
nice off
You
the
gotta come back.
buttery.
You gotta come
Yes,
back.
I'm looking forward. Looking
Yeah,
forward.
next time. The next show gonna be at Big Money's Cafe.
Man, we rocking.
You know what I'm saying? Next time we get you back on the show, still be in the cafe, fully stocked by we go. It's gonna be a party.
Shop, I have to do
It's gonna be a
that.
party. Basketball season
It's gonna be an
should
epic night, so y'all should tune in, man, because y'all more than welcome. So if anybody rock with the Weekly Dogs, I rock with y'all. So everybody's welcome, man.
You hear that?
Everybody's
You hear
welcome.
that, America?
Shit that America, everybody is
Right
welcome.
here.
And just like that, it's another show, the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast. Like, subscribe, share. Check us out. Y'all know the Lego, Firebox 2300 on everything. Matter of fact, I'm getting everything listed on firebox2300.com. So y'all want to follow any other nostalgia or get the coupons or the links or the deals, anything, plug in firebox.com 2300, the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast. EV out. Woodrow, thank you, brother.
Thank y'all, man, for having me.
Spaceship,
Yes,
get us.
Let's get him, man. See you out here.